Welcome to Build for Your Future, a program designed with you in mind. Whether you're just beginning to explore your career options or looking to strengthen the skills you already have, this curriculum is your guide to building a future that aligns with your passions, strengths, and goals. In today's world, success is about more than just knowing the basics. It's about understanding how to use your skills to make a real impact. Build for Your Future is here to help you do just that. Through this program, you'll embark on a journey of self-discovery and growth, where you'll not only learn new skills, but also learn how to apply them in ways that matter. This curriculum is designed to meet you where you are, whether you're in elementary, middle, or high school, or already on your career path. You'll start by identifying what you're good at and why it matters. From there, you'll learn how to measure your skills, track your progress, and see how your abilities can shape your future. Build for Your Future is more than just a course, it's an opportunity to take control of your future. You'll learn how to make decisions using the STEAM Investigative Process, a 5-step method that will help you tackle challenges and make informed choices. You'll also get hands-on experience through activities that simulate real-world scenarios, from creating strategic plans to managing resources. As you move through 4 learning modules, you'll discover how your skills can contribute to your community and the world around you. You'll be encouraged to think about the bigger picture, how what you do today can have a lasting impact. And most importantly, you'll see how each step you take brings you closer to achieving your personal and professional goals. Build for Your Future is flexible, so you can go at your own pace and focus on what matters most to you. Whether you're preparing for a community service project, a registered apprenticeship, meeting educational core standards, or just exploring what's possible, this program is here to support you every step of the way. So get ready to dive in. This is your chance to build a future that's not just successful, but meaningful. You have the potential to achieve great things, and Build for Your Future is here to help you unlock it. Visit nextstepsyep.org to enroll or use the link provided by your program administrator to get started. Thanks for watching.